Hey there, Paul here, and I'm excited to share with you what we've added to Photoshop on the iPad. Just go to your selection tools, you guessed it, right down there at the bottom, Magic Wand. Selecting the Magic Wand and just going in and selecting some colors, as you can see. Notice that you have this lovely little menu right here to add to, subtract from, so you could use that, or you use your touch modifier. Just hold that down, and I'm adding to my current selection as I kind of tap around, okay? We can go beyond that, as you'd expect. We'll click on this flyout menu, turn off contiguous, so now select all the colors that I've selected, and then also increase maybe the sample size, and also we can always adjust the tolerance up. So now it's going to grab a lot of pixels, which I'm here for. Just tapping through and selecting more and more colors, as you can see, right? Just like that. Grabbing more colors, guess what? We can go into Refine Edge, jump in there, refine this all we want. I might want to just kind of feather this out, add to, brush in, do whatever we want to do. Hey, output this as a new layer with Layer Mask. We'll click Done. There it is. In fact, we can see back there, there's our original. Here's our new one. And from there, hey, let's just add a clipped adjustment, hue and saturation, and I'm just changing the colors inside there using the Magic Wand. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Have fun playing with it. The new Magic Wand tool in Photoshop on the iPad. Thanks for watching.